Hi everybody, today I'll be sharing this monster truck design. I've loaded a round brush with white paint for his windshield. Blue for the hood of the truck, leaving the space for the grille. Next, the silver bumper and some silver exhaust pipes. Black for the cab hood, and gray for his grille. Two giant tires, an axle, and also the wheel mechanics of the truck. I'm outlining the exhaust pipes. Giving him some angry teeth and two eyes. Then I'm going to fill in the tires with black. I've added some highlights to the springs and wheel mechanics. For texture, I'm going to use a tire stencil, and I'm also going to paint some little wheel stubs or rubber tire stubs on the wheels. Outline the tires. The rest of the truck. Some smoke coming from the pipes. Some tire tracks on each side of my face. And highlights. And I'm sorry, I did go a little crazy with those. And some clouds around the smoke plumes coming from the exhaust pipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this design as much as I did. See you next time.